talking about the Houston real estate market, exactly what's happening. We're diving deep into the numbers today. Let's jump right into it. So let's jump right into the Houston real estate market and let's look at the total sales from 2019 to 2020 for September. And we're talking about a 31%, almost 32% increase. Now, the crazy thing about this is that if you skip the next line and go down to the third line item, we say total active listings, right? When there was 42,000 homes on the market, we sold 8,500. Now that there's 32 homes on the market, we're selling 11,000. 11,000. So if you don't know what happens when demand goes up and supply goes down, you already know it. Price has to go up. So let's look at single family house. Average sales price is up 10%. It went from $299 to $329, meaning that if you bought a house last year for full price, you have enough equity to sell it right now with the way the market is. Perfect time to buy a house. Hopefully whoever bought a house last year, man, thank goodness you did. And whoever bought a house 10 years ago, hey, right now is a great time to sell, right? Look at all these prices. Median sales price has went up from $244 to $265. Months of inventory is down a month and a half from last year. Last year, I'll be honest, 3.9% as far as months, 3.9 months. That months of inventory is pretty low. That's pretty good market. It's solid. That means people are definitely moving. People are definitely selling. Right now, when you go to 2.5% of inventory, that tells me it's a seller's market and you guys need to be making full price offers. If you want to buy a house, do not think you're finna get a discount on the MLS this time around, right? That's not possible. It's very, very hard as a buyer to buy a property right now just because there's low inventory and high demand, meaning that everybody is getting full price offers. Some people are even getting more than asking, right? So that's what we got. Hey, the numbers look good, don't they? Make sure you like the video. That way it can help me out and reach more people. Make sure you share it as well. Now let's look at pending sales. Oh my goodness. Woo! You talk about 6,600 from a year ago up to 9,500. The time to buy a house, I wouldn't necessarily say it's right now. If you're an investor and you're looking to fix and flip, obviously it is the time to put a house on the market. You can literally buy an 80-cent deal, fix it up, flip it, and probably make it look like a 70-cent deal. So you can literally buy bad deals right now or somewhat okay deals right now and then turn around and sell it for a great profit right now as well. So it's because the market is going to bail you out because the prices keep skyrocketing. So it's definitely a solid market, great, strong, solid market. It's hard to buy a house right now at a discount on the MLS. If you can go straight to the consumer, straight to the seller, obviously you can get a little bit of discount there, even if you just take off realtor fees. But my goodness, right now, it seems like a hot market, some numbers we haven't seen in a long time. But hey, make sure you definitely take advantage of it. We never know how long this is going to last. Make sure you're out there making moves in this particular price. And one thing that you can tell right now is that the price of the homes are going up, right? The 329. Obviously, a lot that plays a role in it is interest rates. But another thing that's going to play a role is affordability, right? So if you're buying a working class home that's affordable, you should be able to move that. You may be able to sell it for a premium too. But that's what I see. A lot of prices are going up. So the affordable housing has went down because there's just not a lot of it, right? And even if there is, the prices went up for it. So make sure if you're interested in doing some new builds, some new construction, might be a time to do it out there in Houston, Texas, because man, these prices are getting a little bit more expensive. Something they haven't seen before. So definitely a great time. Hopefully you guys got some property. Hopefully you guys were able to capture some equity during this time. Congratulations. Happy to hear that. Hey, so tell me what you think. What impact do you think the election is going to have on everything as far as the markets? Is it going to slow down? Is it going to speed up? Let me know exactly what you think. I want to hear back from you. Hey, and to the end, keep winning.